Well, a very good day to you. It is Monday, and it's time for us to talk technology with our tech expert, Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group. Luis, welcome back to the program.
Thank you, my friend. How are you today?
Doing really well. So we've got an interesting topic to discuss, and we were talking about this a little bit off the air, but is it always bad to charge? Is charging your phone all the time, constantly having it on a charger, bad for the battery? And we've heard that you're not supposed to always have your phone on a charger, but Apple, Samsung, and Google are now weighing in on that. And what is the verdict?
It's interesting. The conventional wisdom has always been, no, you don't want to charge your phone up all the time or leave it plugged in overnight because getting it to over 100 will stress the phone and all this stuff, which may have been true back in the good old days, so to speak. But now Samsung, Apple, and other smartphone manufacturers are saying, look, we have technology that is built into these devices to regulate the way electricity is consumed and how they're charged. So charging them, keeping them near full is okay, but really the biggest threat isn't the overcharging, it's the heat. So these phones, when they're being used a lot, especially if they're outside in the sun, they heat up pretty quickly. And that's really what damages the battery as well as the phone, more so than overcharging it.
Is it still true that keeping a phone perpetually at 100% can add extra stress on the battery?
They say yes in certain cases. So What they do recommend, Apple, Samsung, and Google, is that you use their optimized battery technology. So there's an option when you go into the settings where you can enable basically smart charging, and they'll take care of that for you. So you don't have to worry about it. They'll keep the phone at the charge it needs to be based on your usage habits. It learns how and when you use your phone, and it'll keep it charged just to the right level.
So this kind of reminds me of a trickle charger that you'd have on a car battery, one that like a battery tender, where when it gets to where it's charged, it either shuts down or just goes down to a very small trickle as a maintenance kind of thing. So that's a good idea. All righty.
Yep.
Well, that's Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group, joining us today on Power Talk Radio. Online, they're at alvareztg.com. At AlvarezTG is the X handle, and Luis, the toll-free number for the I-Team.
Give us a call at 866-78-I-Team. That's 866-784-8326.